Hey everybody, just want to tell you a little bit about consultingrocket.tv. It is a live stream training with me on how to generate 4 and 5 figure sales. So if you need clients to invest at 4 figures or 5 figures or more in your services, I'm literally going to walk you through some really cool processes, very simple steps, things that you can execute very quickly and see the results immediately. So make sure you jump into consultingrocket.tv, register for the live stream and for the training. Make sure you download the worksheets, follow along with the process. You're going to have direct access with me. I'm going to be helping you with campaigns, with outreach, with connection, with engagement, with sales scripts. More importantly, going to show you how to pitch without actually having to do proposals and have clients say yes to you. So if you're looking for clients for your agency, you're looking for clients for your coaching business, you're looking for clients for a product that you offer in the marketplace, hop into consultingrocket.tv, register, jump on in. I look forward to seeing you there in the live training, how to generate 4 and 5 figure consulting sales for your business or product sales for your business. If you're looking for results in your bank account, then let's work together. It is a free in-time training, something that I've never offered before, but I'm super excited about. So go to consultingrocket.tv and I'll see you there for the training.